1, 2, go.
Hi everyone, so I think we're almost done with the shoot. Sorry, not shoot. Sherry is styling my hair along with the Streax team.
Yes.
So yes,
So you're very excited.
I'm really excited.
We haven't showed you the mirror yet.
Not
so you don't know
yet.
the final look.
Yes.
But I'm sure you're going to just love it because we've just created these retro waves into this
Yeah.
contemporary style and fused.
I can feel it, you know. I can feel
Yeah,
it.
we fused, this 80s with the contemporary and given it a modernized look.
Yeah.
I'm sure you're going to love it.
And the looks for today is Splash Cider Bounce.
Yes.
The color I'm wearing right now is Cider, which has given my hair like a very fresh look. So, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I think the color and the whole style put together just complements each other in a great way.
So
Yeah,
I'm
it's-
really
it's
looking
working.
forward to see what my hair looks like.